Okay, there's the fireplace. I've got the plastic off so you can see the fireplace. We like that, and it's gas, so that'll be good. And of course we added the windows. And there's back to the front door. And there's the cabinets with the plastic off and the pendant lights. Those are the brushed nickel. And I'll see if I can show you the granite. I'm not sure if you could see it through the plastic. She had pulled up a corner here. So you can kind of see the granite has that reddish color in it. That will kind of pick up the cabinet color. Appliances go in last. You can't really see it, but that's the big sink.